How to make one single name on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can make a one single name without the surname, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So to make a one single name on Facebook, you can just open the Facebook application here and then just go ahead and then log into your account. Now once you log into your account, let's say you would like a single name instead of the whole first name and the last name thing. So first just come to your three lines option here, scroll down and just go to this option here known as settings and privacy, and then just go to settings. Once you go to settings, go to account center, and from account center go to this option here known as personal details. Under that you can just select all these options, or you can just select this option called profiles. From profiles you can simply make sure to select your Facebook accounts here. From Facebook you can just see the name. So basically you have the first name and last name, but if I remove this last name here, I cannot review the change. There has to be at least something. So instead what I can do is over here I can simply go ahead and then make sure to add anything in this case. So I'll leave my first name as it is. Once you enter the first name, the surname you can just type in a simple dot, which is not really visible to many people. So when you type in a simple dot, you should be able to go ahead and then basically do a single name. This way you can have a single name on Facebook. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.